Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have the keys a minus a minus a, which equals 25, b minus b minus b is 9, c minus c minus c is 8. So let's to find the sum of these variables a plus b plus c. So let's simplify it from the first equation. You know that a minus a is equals to 25. So a minus a, don't forget to short its operation from left to right if they have the same expression, so the same operation. So a minus a is, this one is 0, so 0 minus a is minus a, so which is equals to 25. So divide by minus 1, this one is cancelled, so a is equals to minus 25. And this from the first case. And from the second case, b minus b minus b, which is equals to 9. This one is 0 minus b, so which is equals to minus b. 0 minus b is minus b is 9. So divide minus 1, so this one is cancelled, so b is equals to 9 over minus 1 is minus 9, this minus 9. So from the third case, c minus c, which is equals to 8. So this one is 0, just simply follow the same manner, minus c, which equals to 8. So this one is minus c, which equals to 8. So divide minus 1, divide minus 1, this one is cancelled, so what we left, c is equals to minus 8. So now we solve all the values of the variable a, b, c. So the question is a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c is how much? So a is minus 25 plus b is minus 9 and plus c is minus 8. So this one is minus 25, this one is minus 9 minus 8. You know that from the number line, if you have number line, if this is 0, if this is 0, and the first one is minus 9 minus 25, it is minus 9. So from this to this is minus 9 plus of minus 25, so minus 32, I mean 34, minus 34. Yeah, just this one is minus 34 minus 8, and this is minus 42. So our solution is minus 42. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.